Hi, I'm Dr. Price, Integrative and Holistic Physician and founder of Beyond Good Health. Now, if you know anything about me, you'll know that I have spent the last decade or so developing high energy healing skills. And central to these skills is the ability to be able to determine subconscious truth as it relates to health. Doing so helps me work out the root cause of a patient's health issues, and then this helps me to implement a more effective treatment plan for them. Now, when I was a conventional doctor and didn't really use such techniques, I was really just taking a calculated guess as to what was wrong with a person and what needed to be done to get them healthy again. It was really hit and miss, and sometimes I'd get great results and other times I didn't. And that's what it's like for a lot of other health practitioners. They use intellectual knowledge to work out what's wrong with a person and what to do about it. Then a decade ago, my life and my practice as a doctor changed in amazing ways, all because I learned the skills of energetic testing. And suddenly, I could then reliably test for the root cause of a patient's problems, be it physical or emotional issues or even spiritual. I could determine what body systems were being impacted and how they were being impacted and why. And I could test individual supplements for the effectiveness for that person on that day. And the result was powerful changes in my success rate and incredibly quick and long-lasting effects for my patient. And because my patients was experiencing such success, they wanted to learn how to do this energetic testing for themselves. And I really wanted them to be empowered so they could be the co-authors of their own health journey. And although I use a number of tools to help me uncover truth as it relates to health, my go-to technique is known as muscle testing. However, in my use of this skill set, I found that it's more accurate and productive to use the word feeling the signal than actually testing the muscle. Why feeling the signals? Because we're not really testing muscles at all. We're actually testing how coherent the brain is under the focus of a particular set of information. Coherence means how aligned and regular your brain waves are, just like your phone or TV signals. If it's noisy, you don't get the picture. With the muscles, if they're noisy, they don't get enough electrical powers from the nerves, and the effect is that they go weak or chaotic, which means they simply don't work. So, muscle testing or feeling the signal is a simple technique that allows access to someone's subconscious mind to identify subconscious truth as it relates to them. And it's based on the principles of truth strengthens and not truth weakens. You see, when something is true for you, it has a strengthening or coherent impact on your whole body and the whole body nervous system. And we can see this in strengthening the effects in feeling the signals in your muscles. When something isn't true for you, this weakens your body signal, and this can be seen in a weakened muscle response. So it's very simple. And if we use a large muscle of the body like the arm as a responder, then we can identify truth as it relates to that person just by having them say a statement and then feeling a muscle signal response. If it strengthens the muscle, then it's a positive, true or coherent response. And if it weakens the muscle, then it's a false or not true, or it feels like a noisy response for them. So let me show you what I mean. For ease of use, I'll use myself an example. I can feel the muscle signal myself using my left arm as a responder muscle. I can say the statements, I'm a man, and then watch that it's easy for me to push down that statement because it's not it's really a noisy or reactive, incoherent response for me. Now, if I say the statements, I'm a woman, notice the signal that my muscle response is strong and I can't push it down easily. I can hold that against that statement. And that's a true or coherent response for me. Take a moment to consider implications of being able to test using muscle signaling for yourself or someone else. You could use this muscle signaling response to determine whether a food is sensitive for you, which nutritional supplements are needed, how many other related issues relate to your health, or even the causal issues. Can you see how valuable such a powerful but easy to use technique such as this muscle signal response testing could be in the life of those you care about? And I use it every day in many, many different ways. So I asked you whether you would like to learn how to feel the muscle signals, because feeling the muscle signals takes some confidence in your own intuitive skills, and would be really useful to learn how to accept, celebrate, protect, and enhance your own intuitive skills. That way, you're going to be more comfortable feeling into the qualities of the muscle signals yourself and your family, and engaging your abilities in the area of empathic intuition. Afterwards, being an empathic is about being able to feel the truth. So on Saturday, 27th of October, I'm conducting my Empower Your Intuition 2 workshop. It's a full-day event focusing on teaching you how to feel these signals and use the muscles to monitor them. And we'll also be showing you how to protect and enhance your intuitive empathic abilities, so that you can then have the confidence and power to determine health-related truths for yourself and your family. So to learn more, just click on the link below, and if you attend this workshop, it could be the one thing that you could do to make the most difference in your health and the health of those you love. So I look forward to seeing you on October the 27th for this incredible workshop. Thanks for listening.